Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Happy Mother's Day! Mag-ayos ka naman. Mother's Day, Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, Lina. Since Mother's Day ngayon, kailangan natin mag-swimming.
Okay. Swimming tayo. Swimming.
Ha?
Parang lumamig tayo.
Oh, Mother's Day special is swimming.
Yes, that's
Okay.
true.
Okay,
That's
so
true.
anong mapapayo mo sa mga nanay dyan? Young and old. New and new and veteran mothers. Anong mapapayo mo?
Kailangan lumabas tayo at kumain sa labas. At magano. Kumain sa labas. Mag-enjoy. Parang bumata tayo.
And then sa mga nanay, anong natin advice
mga nanay, siyempre mga
keep up the good work.
Oh, yes.
Yung mga happiness natin dahil sa mga anak natin, na palaki natin sila ng tama. Tama?
Sacrifice for the children.
Okay, so mamaya pakita mo yung pag-dive mo sa swimming pool, ha? Pati ka, nababasa tayo. Dahan-dahan na. O sige, magluluto ba tayo ng lunch?
Aba, siyempre sinigang.
O, sinigang tayo.
Sinigang sa kahalabos ng hipon. Oh, good.
Parang araw-araw yata sinigang tayo.
Hindi
na, kagabi, kinain ko sinigang na bangus.
Paksiw.
Paksiw. Okay, happy Mother's
Happy Mother's Day.
We love you all. Thank you for watching our vlog.
Belen, Alice, happy Mother's Day.
Mga anak mo.
Ay, mga anak, happy Mother's Day. Monique, Embang, mga kapatid ko sa probinsya. BJ. Mga kapatid ko sa probinsya, happy Mother's Day.
Okay rin, shout out rin sa mga
love
anak ko, si Gabi, si Mati na sa Singapore. Kung nanonood kayo, nananawagan ng nanay nyo na tawagan nyo at igrito ng Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
God bless.
God bless. Bye. Is this really real? Yeah. This Dior? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, open it. Or you use my Dior bag? Open it. Open it. Good morning. Meron akong Oh, this one. Let me read this one first. You are very special. Where's your gift from Mama? Kasama ka dito?
I am broke.
I am broke. So, meron akong regalo. Ganda naman ito. Saan ba ito? Wala naman ito sa mall na pinuntahan ko kahapon, ha?
It is.
It is? Yeah. Okay. I feel that this is, let me guess. No, not watch. Lipstick. Oh, it can only be a lipstick. But if it's a matte lipstick, or is it a, lip gloss? So I think it's a lip gloss. What do you think? It's color pink, it's color brown. What do you think?
I picked it.
Oh, may laman sa loob, so hindi Dior. Bakit meron may
That's how they
ginamit mo na itong bag na ito, ha?
Open it.
Oh, wow! Yan. Teka, anak. Yung sukli mo. Ha? Ito na lang yung pera mo. Wala nang baon for next week. May sukli ka pa. O, tago mo yan. O, akin na rin yan. Total, pera ko naman yata yan.
No,
And you use your money. O, this one. Sige, yung pera na yan. Okay. Don't borrow, ha? Nakatingin ka na naman, ha? O, sige. Darling, paano to? Yan. Whoa! Lipstick! Ay, yes. Oh. Ay, Dior Addict. The one that, I like?
Yeah.
Wow! Thank you! You're my number one baby.
I'm sorry that I'm broke.
I'm sorry that I'm broke. Ba't ganito kulay? Ganito ba ito? How is it, Maxine? Baka masila ako. Sorry, wala akong first time ko magkaganito eh. So, paano
It's
to?
I was supposed to get you a case, but that was 2K.
So, how do you open this? Oh, you twisted it.
Oh, wait. I don't know either.
Nananawagan po kami paano ba buksan to dahil hindi kami sanay. Ito ba yung up or down? Naman, hindi natin alam to. Alatang hindi tayo social eh. Oh shit. Am I destroying it?
Yeah.
Check na internet kung paano to buksan. How is it? This is the ilalim, right?
That's the top.
This is the top.
Twist it.
Fake. Fake ba ito? Not fake, no?
They made me sign something.
They made you sign something? Ay! Oh my gosh. Wow! I love this. What do you call this? Can you read? Ang ganda.
652.
No, there's a description there.
Oh.
So this is, I like this. I love this. Who chose this shade?
Me.
652 shade. Susutin ko siya mamaya. For our dinner. Thank you. Love
Wait,
you.
can you swatch it? Because I
Why,
know
why?
the ladies swatch it.
No, I cannot because I'm so sweaty. I just played pickleball. And now I'm going to shower because we're going to church. Okay, love you. Thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Thank I feel like a girl. Bye. Thank you.